Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have another unboxing from AliExpress for you. Or I should say it's for me. I didn't buy it for you guys. But yeah, I have been doing a lot of collaborations lately, and I have quite a few planned for 2022, so I'm stocking up on Blythe dolls when I see them at a good price. And if you saw one of my latest videos, you noticed that I've kind of gotten into the fantasy hair dolls. Interestingly enough, my very first Fakey Blythe doll was a fantasy hair doll. She had pink and white hair. And I don't know, somehow I just didn't get any further with her. I guess I have a few dolls that might be kind of semi-fantasy hair, but anywho, I got some more. I think there's 2 dolls in here, and this package, I ordered this stuff back in November 11th, 2021, and today is January, I'm filming this today, January 19th, 2022. So, holy cow. Alright, we've got hands. And I ordered some ears. Yes, these are elf ears, and you'll see what I might use them with here in a minute, but let's take a quick look at the elf ears. So yes, I'm kind of getting more into customizing. I had at one point said I wasn't going to do it anymore. And I guess this is like tacky stuff. Huh. I guess that's how you stick it on the doll, maybe? Obviously, I need to do some research on that. If you guys have ever added any ears to your Blythe dolls, I mean, they do have... Blythe dolls already do have ears, but obviously this is like for a little elf. If you've ever added these, you know, let me know in the comments below if you have any tips. I'd be interested in hearing them. So, a tan set of Blythe ears. I think I have some other Blythe ears in here, or I should. And 2 dolls. So, yeah, there's another pair of ears. Yes, light colored ones. So I got tan and very, very fair. Those are pretty cool. Whoa! Oh, it's been a long day. Those are very cool. Look how detailed. All right, so yeah, let's see the dollies now. I have 2 dolls in here. Get that in there, Tammy. Don't rip the bag. All right, so let's take this one out first. Wow, look at that electric hair. Ooh. OMG. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's maybe like from here. Yeah, that's a better. It's very thin pieces mixed together of purple and blue. How cool is that? I thought it was just all purple, but when you look closely at it like that, you can see it's a mixture. And she's dark skinned, and I think she's matte faced. I typically don't get the matte dolls. So yeah, she's like way out of my wheelhouse. She's got matte face, fantasy hair. She's dark skinned though. Let's take a look at her eyes. These are the gray, side gray. Those are gorgeous. I think she has the typical eyes. Oh, blue. Side brown. And these are probably pink. Yep, pink. So, let me go ahead and take... I think I'm going to leave her hair piece on until I actually do something with her. But I'm going to go... Let me go ahead and take off her plastic baggy hair. And look at her bod. If I can take it off. There we go. Alright, twist your little arm. Yeah, so she's very pretty. I don't like even, you know, I don't know, even with the fantasy hair, I'm just not keen on those eyes, but the side ones are really cool. The blue ones are really neat. especially with that hair. Wow. She is so pretty. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave. She's got this on her hair, and she's got plastic on the back. And I think I'm going to tuck her away. She's so pretty. I want to do stuff with her right now. But I think I'm going to tuck her away. Probably will with the other doll too, for when I'm ready to actually work on her. I have quite a mess in my dolly sewing room right now. The dolly studio is a disaster area, but I do have like a little basket that I keep my fakie dolls that I'm going to be using in the future if I don't do stuff with them right away. So I will tuck her away. Bye, she's putting me away. And let's take a look at the other dolly. So here's the other doll, and I believe she has even a darker skin tone, if I remember correctly. And if you have seen the Panacea doll, the Lady Panacea, that kind of made me want a green hair doll, I have to admit. I gotta say, I wish I had probably bought the Lady Panacea when she came out. Obviously now she's like super expensive. Ooh, she's pretty. Look how dark her skin is. And I can't remember, she's also matte. I got another matte one. So, this is kind of making me pause now, because I was not originally going to give them a face-up, but now I did my first face-up recently, and I kind of liked it. So, the thing is, with the matte, I don't think you can just, I don't know. I don't know with the matte. I know if I wanted to completely remove her makeup and not just put some makeup on top of it, I would need to sand it all off. I don't know. I'll have to investigate that a little bit. But she is really pretty. Of course, she has the stock eyes. Those are the brown, pink. Look at that eyeshadow, though. That's different. Wow, that's like a blue, dark blue. The side gray and front blue. But that's pretty cool. That's different eyeshadow. I have to check the other doll. The other doll has the same eyeshadow? What's your eyeshadow look like? It's hard to see with the bangs, which is another out of my wheelhouse type of thing. And I'm usually not a bang person. Yeah, she also has that dark blue eyeshadow. I like that. Neato. But her hair is really soft and very silky. It's gorgeous. I think, again, I'm gonna leave her stuff on her head because she's a side part. So this hair is gonna go all over creation. But I can't wait to work on her. I want to. Obviously, I'm going to make a fairy doll out of somebody. I don't know if it's going to be, I don't know which one of these is going to be a fairy or if they're both going to be a fairy. I don't know. This girl, honestly, was kind of, I was thinking of like a Mori girl slash ripoff of Lady Panacea. So I don't know for sure. But I really like that green hair. It's a nice dark green. I wouldn't say it's necessarily the same shade of green that Lady Panacea's hair is. I haven't seen her in person, but I'm guessing it's not. But I still really like the color. I think these two dolls together actually look pretty cool looking. Very neat. Very unusual. Very otherworldly, which is what I was kind of going for. So, yeah, she's really cute. Super cute. I guess I only got one set of hands, and which could be true. These dolls, like I said, I found them and they were marked down. This one in particular, if I remember correctly, was on sale. It was part of their 11/11 sale, which usually knocks a couple bucks off of the dolls. So even though obviously it takes forever to get your order. But, yeah, here are the two dollies that I got in the mail, along with some little elf ears. I hope you enjoyed the video unboxing, and as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications if you haven't already. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It always helps me to know what you guys are looking for as far as videos. Hopefully, I'm on the right track and you're enjoying the content that I'm creating over here for you. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.